In this video, let's talk about how to fix the Instagram cannot add second account. If you're trying to log into a second account on Instagram and if you're having issues with it, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now what you can straight away do in this situation is try to first of all clear out the Instagram app cache. So just hop out of the app of Instagram, tap and hold the app and then head over to this eye icon. If you're using an iOS device, you'll need to head over to iPhone storage and then offload the application. So once you're inside of the screen, tap on storage and then you'll be able to see the option called clear cache being displayed. Just tap on this option and try to see if the issue is fixed. If the issue still persists, the second thing that you can do is try to first of all log out of the primary account that you are currently logged into and try to log into a secondary account. So by doing these first two steps, you should be able to fix this issue. But however, if the issue is still fixed, what you can also try out is try to restart your device as well as try to switch your network connections. So these are the few solutions that you can try out. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to let me know. I'm going to see you in the next one.